Video, all of you can understand the if else statement. For if else statement, you have to condition, then if a is bigger than b, then it will print a, else if not this, then it will print b. So like the conditional operator which I understand all of you about in the last video, similar to where lie, and similar program I used in it in this video. So let's move, let's show you that. Okay, right, the previous program except the conditional operator. So there I use air, printf and scanf. For if else statement, I have to use if and introduce in it air, which is 4. Whenever divide by divisible by 4, then equals to 0. Okay, and then it will print f that air is leap year. Okay, and else we have to introduce else, because if we are using a if else statement. So printf after that printf else, first our is leap year, then after that not a leap year. Okay, not a leap year. Okay, then there, or this and this, introduce it. Okay, then we have to curly bracket close. So save, compile is finished and run it, enter the year 2020, then it is a leap year. It will say it are saying that it is leap year. So again I run and put in the 2019, it will say that it is saying that not a leap year. So for this, all of you say understand it. Okay, so please like, subscribe and share, and thank you very much.